Alright guys, here's your homework hint for the night. If you look at your black diamond homework and go to number 3, it says which of the following tables has a K value of 2/5? At this point you should open up your ISN. We wrote down that K value is the same thing as saying find y over x in a proportional relationship. If y over x is the same, that's called your K value. So since they're telling us this is what we're looking for, that means this is y, this is x. And now I just have to check my tables. So I'm going to start with answer choice A. Y divided by x, so for the first row I'm going to get 3 over 1. What is 3 divided by 1? That would be 3. What am I looking for? 2/5. So I don't really need to continue. Goodbye A. I go to my next one. It has to always say y divided by x. So that's 1 divided by 2. Oh, I can keep it as a fraction. That's 1/2. Well, I'm looking for 2/5. I don't want that one either. Go to C. Y divided by x. I have 2 over 5. Works for the first time. If it works for the first time, that means I need to keep going. So my next y divided by x is going to be 4. There's my y. The x that corresponds with that is 10. Now, that's not the same as 2/5, but what do we know about 4 and 10? Those can both be reduced. If I simplify this, divide by 2 on both the top and the bottom, what you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom, it also simplifies down to 2/5. So far, it still works, which means I have to check for the next row. It's y divided by x every time. So I'm going to come out here and I'm going to do 6 divided by 15. Doesn't look like 2/5, but since these two have worked, I'm going to try to simplify this. Looking at this, it looks like I can divide by 3 on both the top and the bottom. I have to do the same thing to both top and bottom, and this becomes 2/5. This is looking like a winner. Let's hope this last one works. Y divided by x, we have 8 over 20. 8, that would be an 8, guys, right there. 8 divided by 20. Definitely doesn't look like 2/5. Let's see, what can we divide both sides by? Let's try 4. Divide the top by 4 and the bottom by 4. What do you know? 2/5. This one I'm guessing is the answer. I'm just going to real quick check this one because I don't want to miss anything. Y divided by x. 5 over 1 is equal to 5. That is definitely not 2/5. We're going to go ahead and say C is the one we want for the night. Hope that helps. It should help you on the one in the back that also says K value. So don't forget to do your homework, guys.